Family, we got a little bit of economic news up on deck. 8:30 retail sales month over month and core retail sales month over month. The rest of this, we got a couple of Fed speakers, really not too much. The ones I'm going to be watching are at 8:30. So what are we looking at? All right, here I used these Fibonacci levels today because according to the Elliott wave theory, guys, we should have had a decent pullback. All right, we really haven't got that. So depending on what these numbers come out today, I'd be looking to come back to 11,610 or 11,459. We have our levels marked off below us. We're finally getting some type of a sell-off here. We do have this gap to fill above us, so we could be looking for that 1, 2 reversal back down. We have 3 areas below we're going to watch for possible trades back to the upside. Quick little in and outs, nothing major. We still have our areas marked off above. We're just going to have to play this by ear. The markets are really kind of unpredictable right now, but if we're looking at the bigger picture, the bigger time frames, all right, we do have things to look at. All right, such as here. Let's get out of there. All right, if we draw this trend line, you can see we broke through once, came up, retested again. All right, if you look at the pattern here on my chart, all right, that's what we're looking for, okay? This type of a pattern for that pullback, all right? So my goal target today is 11.6 if these numbers come out bad. If not, and we get that bullish momentum again, we're going to be looking for those profit targets up above. The first area is going to be 12,100 and then possibly up to 12,500. But again, I'm more convinced on the downside here, guys. All right, we're already seeing breaking, retesting. We do have this gap to fill. Remember, we have the bigger gap to fill below us. Looking at the higher time frames as far as our indicators are concerned. Give me just a second. All right, right now on our indicators, right, we're getting divergence as of right now. That doesn't mean anything going into this morning. It's still only 7:30. We got to wait on that news to come out. But let's go ahead and look at the daily time frame. All right, the daily time frame, we do have that bullish divergence as well, but I kind of think we're played out on that. All right, flat bottom. Notice where we are. We're still kind of hanging around here from yesterday, but we're finally getting some divergence on the daily time frame. Okay, so that's key. All right, so we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to be patient. We're gonna have to wait on that news. Let's jump down to the 4-hour time frame. All right, what do we got? Same thing. All right, so we've been anticipating this all week. Yesterday was just one of those fluke days and just didn't make sense altogether. I was getting bad information from the FX calendar. But anywho, is what it is. Today's a new day. So that's what we're looking for today, guys. All right, we have our profit areas below us. We have our profit areas above us. We don't need this. And we'll discuss the Fibonacci a little bit later on this morning. So again, even for right now, if you guys are trying to catch some quick trades, what would you be looking for here, right? A test, a retest, okay? And then the move lower. Don't forget, 8:30 we have the news. We'll be live at 8:30. If you're new to the channel, if you're watching this right now, we go live Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 9:30 to teach people how to become consistently profitable traders. We are in the process of building a 30-day boot camp that is designed to help you become a consistently profitable trader, or if you're a losing trader, to help you turn it around in the simplest way possible. All right, trading is really easy. It's traders who overcomplicate it. All right, you put too much thought into a simple process. All right, we've all been there, we've all done it. But if you do want to become consistently profitable, you want to learn how to do a pre-market game plan, you want to know what you're looking for, this is all we use. All right, we do have a lot of lines on here right now. That's for trading purposes only. And, you know, if you want to keep them, you can keep them. But there's specific things that we look for as professional traders in the market. And when we get them, we get them. And when we don't, we use caution, or we just walk away for the day. Yesterday was one of those days. We did get the move we were looking for, though. But, you know, it just kind of took its time and took its sweet time. Did end up with $1,800 on yesterday. $300 and something of this is from yesterday. I ended up shorting it right here on this big move down and held it. I closed it out, I think, last night at like 9 or 10 o'clock. I don't remember. Something like that. So anyhow, we got the overnight high. We got the gap to fill above us, which we could potentially see right now, right, with this move. And then we got yesterday's high, yesterday's low. All right, don't forget to mark off that 8:30 to 9:30 time frame. And I'll see you guys at 9:30.